Hi student, my today's topic properties of subtractions of integers. We all This topics related to chapter first of 7th class. Let us start this topics. We tells about earlier that is z or I represent integers, and integers we are taking all negative values, 0 and positive values, just like this 1 2 3 positive and -1 -2 also including 0 and integers. We are taking numbers here. For properties of subtractions of integers, that is 4 properties we discussed. To first property, closure property. Closure property means we are taking two numbers. We are taking any two numbers, that is -3 and -2. We are taking two numbers here, both are integers. So in this closure property, we are taking any two or more integers. uh, the difference between two integers, difference between these two integers, because this is the subtractions of integers we are taking out. So -3 minus -2, we are taking -3 plus 2 -1, or -1 is already belongs to z. Z means -1 is already is an integer. So closure property we applied on subtractions of integers. We have to discuss second property, commutative property. Commutative property, it means we are taking two integers, that is 16 and -9. 16 and -9, we are taking two integers, so their subtractions. If a 16 minus a minus b and b minus d, we check out here. So a becomes 16 and b becomes -9. So put the value of a, that is 16, minus put the value of b, that is -9, and b -9 minus put the value of a 16. We look here, we change the sign, -1 plus, so 16 plus 9 and -25. So 25 equal to -25. We look here, this is not equal, is not true. So closure commutative property is not, does not follow commutative property of due to subtraction. We are taking three digits, that is a, b and c. So we are taking a, b, c and 2 3 and the integers. So we apply a minus b minus c equal to a minus b minus c. So we are taking brackets here and here also. So check out. We are taking three numbers, that is a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to 4. So apply this 2 minus 3 minus 4 and 2 minus 3 minus 4. We look here, 2 minus 3 minus 4, and that becomes equal to -1 and -4, and 2 minus -1. This is the -5, this equal to 2 plus 1. So -5 equal to 3. So it is not true. So students, associative property also does not follow due to subtraction of integers. And identity property, we know that any integer that is 0, we subtract then any property that is also an integers. So we are taking any integers that is 16, and as identity we are taking 0. So 16 minus 0 already is equal to 16. So we get this is the integer 16 is also here. So do not any differences between with due to 0. So we get 16 yourself. We are taking -18. We are taking subtraction with 0 also, we get -18. So in this property, identity property, a, b, c are three integers we are taking here in last property, but in this 0 is the subtraction from an integer, then difference remain the integers itself. So apply the identity property and closure property due to subtraction. So students, in this you learned these four properties and applied it. These two properties follows this rule, but these two properties are not follow the subtraction of integers. That is my today's topics. But at last we given some homework. We are taking numbers, that is a equal to 2, b equal to 5 and c equal to 7, and we are taking these three numbers apply all properties, we are applicable or not. So try these questions and tell me about any problems. That is my today's topics. Thanks a lot.